So we're back working on the Horsebox. What we've done already is fill in a load of these holes that are on the outside that go right through to the inside, because we were getting quite a lot of leaks. So hopefully that should have done the job. You can see there's quite a lot of holes that we've filled in already. Hopefully no more leaks coming in from the outside. There's still a few more that we've got to do. We'll crack on with that. And then the next job is also getting all the mud and all this dirt off the chassis. So that's my job for today. Gill today is going to go up on the roof and paint it with chromopol. Chromopol? Chromopol. Chromopol.
So this is the state of the roof. It's pretty thin fiberglass, and then it's just taped and painted around the edge. So what I'm doing is I'm taking all the tape and paint off, and then I can clean it up, and then we can repaint it and retape it. Alright, so here I am on top of the Horsebox roof, and we're painting it, trying to get the thing watertight, using chromopol, which is like a waterproof paint with fibres in it. So yeah, never used it before, but we'll see how it goes.
She doesn't look like a prison van anymore. Yay!